Hello, my name is Michael Shahinsky, and today I'm going to be going over my final project for the BDF 1211. I chose to use CodeIgnighter as my MVC framework, so I'm going to show you how I got the MVC Read data to work in CodeIgnighter. I wanted to just go over a quick overview of the file structure for CodeIgnighter. We have the application, the system, and assets is the folder that I added for the CSS and stuff. The system stores all the system files, but the application is where you'll be working. For the most part, you just have to worry about the controllers, models, and views, and sometimes you might have to change some config options, such as the database or routes to determine which controller loads first. So let's go over the code. This is the controller, which handles loading the models, loading the views, and setting up data to be passed to the views. In our model, we have all our database information, where we're pulling information from the database and getting it ready to be viewed. As you can see in this file, it's pretty small. There wasn't a lot of code that needed to be created, and we didn't have to actually type out all of our SQL code. Most of that is handled by each of these commands, and the select, the where clause, and then the get command, which queries the database table portfolio type in this case. And next we have the views, and we just have the HTML, and it prints out the data that we need to the browser. So let's see everything in action. If you remember my first MVC Read video, you would notice that everything looks pretty much the same, only this is running on CodeIgnighter instead of my own MVC platform. As you can see, everything still working the same.